Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today we'll be installing the NU Aqua 8-stage alkaline mineral water filter. Also, if you haven't seen the unboxing video that I made on this product, I'll leave a link in the description at the bottom. And join me as we discover what this incredible water filter has to offer. We all know how important it is to drink clean and healthy water for our well-being, and this product claims to do just that. Okay, so we have all our components on the kitchen countertop here. We have two 13/16 adapters and two 15/16 adapters. Also includes the gaskets and the tip to our spout. And here we have our NU Aqua 8-stage alkaline mineral countertop water filter. You want to take note, if your faucet has threads on the outside, it'll be even more easier. All you have to do is screw it on. The diverter valve that it comes with has a swivel cotter on it. But in my case here, we're going to have to remove this aerator. The adjustable wrench is the perfect tool for this. As you can see, on your aerator there'll be a flat surface on each side. And if you don't own an adjustable wrench and you only have a pair of pliers, you can use that. Just, I will say, if you want to keep your aerator and you don't want to damage the copper and the nickel on it, just use a rag or any towel that you can find to remove your aerator. So if you move about 1/4 of an inch, it should just come right out. Okay, so once you remove your aerator here, I see the gasket is still in there somewhere. There it goes. You want to take this opportunity now to open your valve here. You're doing this just in case there's any calcium carbonate in the system, and you're going to flush it out right now. Take the aerator that you just removed so you can see which adapter you'll be using. In our case, it'll be this one, which is the 15/16. Place your gasket and your adapter. Screw it in. Everyone's kitchen countertop setup might be a little different. In my case, I want my NU Aqua water filter on the right side. I'll be bringing my diverter valve around my kitchen faucet this way. And before making your final connection, you want to make sure that your gasket is inside. Make sure it's nice and tight. Start turning your swivel collar here. And it all depends how you want your handle facing. I would like my handle on the right side as well. Last thing you want to connect is the tip to your spout. This is basically a push fitting. Just push in. That's it. Okay, the next step is we're going to turn our valve on. Then we're going to turn our diverter valve handle towards you. At first, you're going to see a dark gray water coming out. Don't be alarmed. That's only the carbon coconut shells, which is this area right here. Give you a better look right there. Okay, let's run some water through here. Turn our valve. See it filling up. Now leave the system run for a good 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow any loose particles from the carbon coconut shell to get flushed out of the system. It's normal to see small little tiny air bubbles. This will slowly disappear in a few days. Okay, I had this running for about 10 minutes now. Fill up my glass. It's a beautiful, nice, clean glass of water here. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's some good water. Let's get another final view of our setup here. There you have it. Thank you for watching my NU Aqua 8-stage alkaline mineral countertop water filter video. If you're interested in buying one, use the coupon code, all caps, Handyman Land 5 for your 5% discount. Click the link in the description and take advantage of this coupon offer. Remember, investing in a high quality water filter like this improves your drinking water by removing impurities and adding essential minerals. And once again, here's my coupon code, Handyman Land 5. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. And remember, stay hydrated. Thank you for watching.